Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel iTech News. Nothing Phone 1 with 6.55 FHD plus 120Hz OLED display, Snapdragon 778G plus, dual 50MP cameras launched in India starting at an introductory price of 31,999 rupees. Nothing just launched Nothing Phone 1, the company's first smartphone in an online event, as it had promised. The phone has a 6.55-inch FHD plus 120Hz flexible OLED screen, is powered by Snapdragon 778G plus with up to 12GB of RAM, runs Android 12 with Nothing OS on top, and the company has promised 3 Android OS updates and 4 years of security patches every 2 months. It has a dual 50MP sensors with Sony IMX766 sensor for the main camera and Samsung Gen 1 sensor for the ultra-wide camera, which also lets you capture macro shots. You can also set glyph interface to full brightness and illuminate close-up subjects with a gentle light. The phone has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 33-watt PD charging, which can charge up to 50% power in 30 minutes. It also has 15-watt wireless charging and 5W reverse wireless charging. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.